If you're looking for the best 4K golf simulator projectors without any hype, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll give you straightforward facts about each projector, covering both the good and the bad. Stick around because by the end, you'll know exactly which one belongs in your setup. You can check all projectors and prices in the description. Let's dive in. Number 3. Optoma UHD35STX, Best Value 4K Golf Simulator Projector. The Optoma UHD35STX stands out among 4K projectors as a fantastic budget-friendly option for golf simulators thanks to its short throw design, low latency performance, and impressive brightness. It produces up to 3,600 lumens of brightness, which helps ensure your virtual fairways look vivid even when the lights aren't fully dimmed. With its 0.5 to 1 short throw lens, you can achieve a large image in a tighter space, making it suitable for setups where you don't have a ton of room to mount the projector far behind the hitting area. Even though most people associate ultra-short-throw projectors with placing them directly below the screen, the UHD35STX hits a sweet spot between classic long-throw models and bulky ultra-short throws. As a result, you'll want to keep in mind it needs about 4 feet from the screen to get around a 100-inch image, which can work well for golf simulator setups in smaller rooms. Compared to similarly priced 4K short-throw models that often creep towards a higher price without offering significantly better specs, the UHD35STX provides a strong balance of cost and performance. Now, if you're someone who likes to use your golf simulator space for gaming, the UHD35STX also offers extremely low input lag, down to 16 milliseconds at 4K 60 Hz and as low as 4 milliseconds at 1080p. That means if you switch from golfing to fast-paced shooters or racing sims, you'll appreciate the responsive gameplay. Bear in mind, though, that switching to enhanced gaming mode locks out certain image adjustments like zoom, image shift, and geometric correction, so plan on physically positioning the projector carefully before jumping into your golf simulator software or any other game. Placement can be a little tricky due to its short throw lens, and that's something to consider for a tidy home golf studio. If you decide to mount this projector on the ceiling, you might find the alignment process a bit finicky, especially since it has only manual focus and minimal lens shift. Also, the built-in speaker is unimpressive, so you'll almost certainly want external audio if you care about realistic club impact sounds or the roar of the crowd. Still, at 7.72 pounds, it's fairly easy to move around and store away when not in use. Visually, the projector's 4K DLP chip does a solid job of presenting crisp images, even if its color management system isn't the strongest. It can reproduce the Rec. 709 color gamut, so you'll get accurate colors for realistic golf course visuals. However, if you plan to use it for serious home cinema, the black levels and overall cinematic performance might not blow you away. Other Optoma models exist specifically for movie buffs, so if you need deeper blacks and more precise calibration features, you might prefer a different model. Still, the main draw here is its combination of 4K resolution, short throw convenience, and a competitive price that makes sense for both gaming and golf simulation. Many competing short-throw 4K projectors in the same range simply can't match the UHD35STX's brightness and low latency performance for under $2,000. So, if you want a bright, versatile short-throw 4K projector, primarily for your golf sim setup, and maybe a little gaming on the side, this is an excellent deal for the money. To sum up, what I like is that it's very bright, rated at 3,600 lumens, low input lag for smooth gaming, it's compact and easy to move around, and it's fairly affordable for a 4K short-throw model. On the downside, manual focus and limited lens shift, average onboard speaker quality, CMS adjustments are not very effective, and it can be challenging to install neatly due to short throw ratio. Number 2. BenQ LK936ST, Best Premium 4K Golf Simulator Projector. The BenQ LK936ST is a 4K HDR laser projector that really stands out for golf simulations and premium home entertainment in bright rooms. Right away, the 5,100 lumens of brightness and 3 million to 1 dynamic contrast claim make it clear BenQ wants to deliver a vivid experience even with ambient light. At a price of about $5,000, it's not cheap, but in this same price range, many competing 4K golf projectors either lack the same brightness or don't have BenQ's dual-use approach as both a simulator and a home theater projector. One key reason it's great for simulators is the short throw ratio of 0.8 and 1.1 times zoom, which let you set up the projector so the golfer's body won't cast a shadow on the screen. The lens shift is generous, up to 60% vertically and 23% horizontally, allowing you to avoid physically moving the projector if your space has obstacles. Not every 4K golf projector in this class offers such an extensive lens shift range, which gives the LK936ST an advantage for more complicated install scenarios. Color accuracy is a major selling point. The LK936ST covers about 92% of the Rec. 709 color space, which is impressive for a high brightness model. If you compare it to similar 4K golf projectors that push brightness levels above 4000 lumens, many of them sacrifice color fidelity, while BenQ maintains both brightness and strong colors. There's also a dedicated golf mode that boosts blues and greens, so on-screen fairways and skies pop without making the rest of the image look cartoonish. This feature is especially handy if you want a more immersive feeling on your sim screen. Despite these strengths, it's not perfect. Black levels aren't especially deep, so if you turn off all the lights and watch a dark movie, you may notice the blacks look more like dark gray. Also, you might hear the fan running at up to 40 decibels in normal mode, and some owners have reported a squeak from the color wheel, though that could vary from unit to unit. These issues might be a deal breaker if you want super quiet, inky black home theater performance, but for golf simulators or bright living rooms, it's usually a fair compromise. With a 20,000-hour laser light source, you won't have to swap lamps every year, and the sealed design helps keep dust out. Other 4K golf projectors around the same price might offer lamp-based systems which fade faster and need more maintenance, so BenQ's dust-sealed laser engine is an advantage if you want longevity. Input lag comes in around 33 milliseconds at 1080p 60Hz, making it fine for casual gaming on a console or PC. Installation is straightforward thanks to 3D keystone correction, corner fit adjustments, and digital shrinking/shifting, which let you tweak the image without physically moving the projector. That sort of flexibility is essential for golf simulation setups where the screen might not be in a typical home theater position. The wide range of connectivity, 2 HDMI 2.0 ports, a display port, and even HD Base T, ensures you can run various signal and control setups with ease. Overall, while there are other 4K golf simulator projectors in the upper $4,000 range, most either lack the same short throw flexibility, brightness, or color performance that the LK936ST manages to combine. If top-tier brightness, easy placement, and dedicated golf features are priorities, the BenQ LK936ST leads the pack of premium 4K golf simulator projectors. To sum up, what I like is the extremely bright 5100 lumens, the golf mode boosts blues and greens for realistic simulations, generous lens shift and short throw ratio for easy setup, 20,000-hour dust-sealed laser engine, and good color accuracy covering 92% of Rec. 709. On the downside, black levels appear more like dark gray, there's noticeable fan noise in normal mode, manual focus and zoom, no wireless options, and it's expensive. Number 1. BenQ TK700STI, our top pick. The BenQ TK700STI is the go-to option for anyone seeking a solid 4K projector for golf simulators, primarily because of its well-rounded performance and competitive price point. Despite using a pixel shift design instead of native 4K, it still delivers a crisp, detailed image at 3840 by 2160. One factor that sets it apart is its high brightness level of 3000 ANSI lumens, which keeps images vibrant when the lights are dimmed or moderate ambient light is present. It's also a short throw projector, so you can set it relatively close to the screen and still get a large screen. At just 6.5 feet, you can project a 100-inch image, and at about 7.8 to 9.4 feet, you can stretch that to 120 inches. This short throw feature is really nice if you have a space-limited setup, which is common in many home golf simulators. When it comes to contrast, the TK700STI isn't perfect. Sitting at around 10,000 to 1, blacks won't look as deep and inky as on higher-end models like the BenQ X500i or the X3100i. Still, most people find it more than acceptable, especially in darker rooms, and it won't detract much from your golfing visuals or the overall movie-watching experience. Color reproduction is also a bit of a mixed bag. It's decent enough for day-to-day use, but color purists might find the TK700STI a tad dull and inaccurate, even after calibration. Despite these drawbacks, there's a lot to love about this projector. Its input lag is exceptionally low, only 16 milliseconds at 4K and 4 milliseconds at 1080p with a blazing 240Hz refresh rate. If you're a gamer who alternates between the dark fairways of a simulator and fast-paced console titles, that's a major perk. BenQ even includes 3 preset gaming modes, FPS, RPG, and Sports, to optimize your visuals and audio on the fly. Smart features are another area where the TK700STI shines. It comes with a QS01 Android TV dongle, so you have access to plenty of apps, wireless casting, and Bluetooth support without needing extra devices. In comparison, the cheaper TK700 model doesn't include Android TV or short throw capability, which can be limiting if you value convenient setup and built-in streaming. Setting it up is relatively straightforward. You get a 1.2x zoom, 2D keystone, and corner fit correction, making it easier to adjust the image if your mount or placement isn't perfectly aligned. Another plus is its moderately compact form factor, about 7 pounds, although it's not truly portable and doesn't include an internal battery. You'll still want to find a stable spot to keep it in your golf simulator area. Now, if you're open to spending more for deeper contrast or more accurate colors, there are better options out there, such as the BenQ X500i or X3100i. But for most people, especially those who prioritize gaming features, short throw convenience, and an excellent balance of brightness and price, the TK700STI stands out as the best overall value golf simulator projector. It might not be flawless, but for a 4K golf simulator setup that won't break the bank, this is a rock-solid choice. To sum up, what I like is the short throw lens for limited spaces, the very low input lag at both 4K and 1080p, the 3000 lumens brightness for decent ambient light performance, and the built-in Android TV dongle with casting capabilities. On the downside, blacks aren't very deep due to lower contrast, and the color accuracy is dull and doesn't improve much with calibration. Thanks for watching. Let me know which is the best 4K golf simulator projector for you. Remember, you can check prices in the description below. And if you're interested in more suggestions and reviews, be sure to check out more of my videos. Before you go, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to stay updated, and let me know your opinion and suggestions in the comments. See you in the next one.